In this video, we're going to cover the installation of the engine management service. So what we've done is we've downloaded the kit from support.neverfail.com. And as you can see here, it is the release that we're going to install. So all I have to do is to double click on it, and it brings up the installer. And once it brings up the installer, you're really just a couple clicks away from having a fully operational engine management service. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to accept the EULA. And then Continuity Engine will install the firewall rules for the engine management service for TCP ports 9727 and 9728. And it asks you if you're ready for the installation. Of course we are. We're going to go ahead and install. And that's it. We have a functional engine management service. And now what we're going to do is we're going to log into the engine management service. The host name is the EMS in this case, and then :9727. Okay, once the installation is complete, we can now log into our engine management service for the first time. So we're going to put the local administrator account in. And that's it. We now have a functional engine management service that we can either deploy brand new protected applications with, or we can import them using our import utility that are existing continuity engine deployments. And we'll explore that in our next video. So at this point, we are done with our engine management service installation.